Lesson 2. Attract. To bring or draw closer. The large red flowers attracted both the hummingbird and Ming. Attractive. Pleasing to the eye or mind. The bakery window filled with pies, cakes, and cookies was so attractive that Jin and I entered the shop. Attraction. Something that draws attention. One attraction Karen attends every September is the Chodor Festival near the dock. Crew. A group of people working together, especially one that runs an airplane or large vessel. The crew worked quickly to take down the sails on the boat before the storm hit. Dangle. To hang loosely. Not yet ready to go into the pool, Ramona and Fernando sat by the edge and dangled their feet in the water. Drift. A pile of sand or snow created by moving air or water. The drifts of snow in the driveway mean that we will all have to help with the shoveling. To be carried along by moving air or water. Liz climbed onto the rubber raft and let herself drift along the river for a while. Event. Something that happens, especially something important. The big event of the week for Jonat and Derek was going to see Swan Lake with their aunt. Launch. An open motorboat that is used for short distances. The launch carried our class across the bay to one of the islands for a picnic. Number 1. To put a boat or a vessel in the water. Lian and Greta launched the canoe onto the pond and started to paddle toward the other side. Number 2. To get something started. Miss Pinsky and Mr. Miller launched the cleanup day by giving everyone a pair of thick work gloves and some large plastic bags. Opposite. Number 1. Very different from. It is difficult to believe Ruth and Emily are sisters because they are opposite in so many ways. Number 2. Facing or moving away from each other. After they got off the bus, George and Janelle said goodbye and walked off in opposite directions. Reverse, to go backward or in the direction one just came from. We laughed when Daniel suddenly reversed direction by walking backward. Back to front. One side of this coin shows a head and the reverse side shows a building. Signal, an object, action, or sound that gives a message or a warning. Seeing the flashing red light, Antonio told his brother they had to wait to cross the street. To do something that gives a message or warning. Jeff signaled the start of the race by dropping a white handkerchief. Steer, a young bull. A herd of thirsty steers gathered near the stream. To guide the direction of, Bonnie carefully steered her bicycle around the rocks.